you ever felt like programming is this complicated language only the geniuses understand? What if I told you that whether it's Python, Java, JavaScript, or C++, these core concepts of programming are the same, and once you understand them, the rest become a matter of syntax. In this video, I'm going to break it all down step by step, from the basic of how programming really works to how each languages speak the same logic in its own unique way. We will explore how variables, conditions, loops, and functions works across these four major languages. And don't worry, I will make it as practical as beginner friendly as possible with real coding examples you can follow along. Whether you are just starting out or trying to understand the why behind the code, this video is your good moment waiting to happen. By the end of this video, you will understand the core concept of programming, no matter the language you choose. You will be able to compare how Python, Java, JavaScript, and C++ handle variables, conditional, loops, and functions. You will also learn how different syntax can express the same logic and ideas in programming. You will also gain confidence in reading and writing code in multiple languages. You will also know the next step to continue your programming journey with clarity and purpose. So grab your favorite drink, open your code editor, and let's demystify programming once and for all. And trust me, you will want to stay to the end, where I will reveal the secrets to becoming fluent in any programming languages.